Have your booty cheeks on there.
Hi guys.
I'm literally not even.
Welcome to our channel, or welcome back to our channel.
Well, I don't think anyone really watches us. But anyways, we are making no glue, no borax
Moon
slime.
dough slime. Alright, first we're gonna pass out the plate and the spoon.
We just did that.
Well, obviously.
She is the only one who knows how to make it, like, for sure.
So
Yeah.
what do we do?
Give me this one. I don't know how to make it. So what you're gonna need is flour and any conditioner or like a really thick shampoo. She's upstairs. Yes. Anyways. So basically what we're going to be making is we're going to be making a moon dough, which is flour and conditioner mixed together, and it's dough. Go get it. I have the flour in my booty cheek, so go get it. You have to go get it. I can't get it. It's gonna fall.
Also, you should follow our TikTok,
Which is
on the screen.
on the screen. And follow if you want more videos.
And comment down below ideas for videos.
It's very, or stuff that you would like to see
Yeah.
us do.
Ah, it's a big ant! Some yellow substance keeps falling on my leg.
Yellow substance.
Yes, bro.
It's
To yours? Like, this is gonna be an interesting thing that I'm gonna edit.
this
Yeah.
is gonna be very interesting.
I can lean back.
Oh oh my god, he's literally right there. If he comes out,
The mulberries are growing.
I thought you were talking about the cute, adorable bird that's cool.
Well, the mulberries are growing, so.
I hate mulberries. They can eat my gum.
How do you still have your lollipop?
Because I'm savoring it.
Like, because you know I'm big back and I ate like 4 lollipops today.
Yes.
Can you like open this or something?
Oh, my
go
skinny
get it.
Jasia.
First, we need to test. It squirts, so we're fine.
This is the longest intro ever. She's so creepy.
Guys, I just stared at him for the whole minute. The only person that noticed was Waylay.
Each of us get a little bit of
So you're gonna have to specify what the signal was going on.
I will.
You guys color match.
We should
Big bad fish, nearly.
flip the frickety frick, frack, knick knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
Just kidding. I would never lick my spoon after it. Just put conditioner on it.
Hey!
Only the character AI works.
It's like digging into my skin. The
You're
flower,
having a
the flower is up my shirt.
Ooh, you know what else will help?
What?
Our parents don't look.
I remember we got in trouble for being on your balcony. Your balcony. This is the balcony.
Oh no,
It's a
man!
Because there was no thing. Like we weren't even by the
We
edge.
were literally standing right next to it.
Did
It's
you
been
guys get
5 minutes.
Did you guys get banned from leaving the house?
During
Don't tell her.
he's actually still in there.
After what though? Like, what do we actually?
Left the garage open?
What do we actually?
Twice.
Twice?
In the same day.
No.
Yeah, and then a third time the next time we went to date. Or they just forgot. What are you looking at? Nothing.
Guys,
Yeah.
guys, I'm so mixed that my hair is even changed color. One time they're blonde, one time they're black.
You did also, you also dye your hair a lot, so that's also why. Can somebody check if Donnie's still there? I can't be the one that keeps.
You're kidding me. So you're telling me the hair on my legs, I dyed my hair on the legs? I don't think that's what you
He's
mean.
still there.
I have to pee.
Ow, you're pinching my butt cheeks now.
What the frick, frack, fricky, frick, frack, knick, knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. Okay, there's flour on my shirt. Tonight I'm going to turn that dick off. We basically don't want her dad to know that we're doing this with his flour.
Yeah. So we're gonna wait because she's in the bathroom.
Ew, that's disgusting.
This is where I'm sitting.
Yeah, she's sitting right here. And I'm sitting in a chair with my flower baby. And
Oh my god. It's a weird spot, but it's all over. This is gonna be interesting to edit. Because I edit and I post.
yeah, because
I'm the Nick Sterniolo of our group. I'm the oldest and I edit the videos. And what do? You're the jokes, you're Chris.
yeah, I just ate a lot at the park today. Go watch our park vlog. It's a short vlog on TikTok.
Yeah.
And that's oh my fricky frick frack knick knack paddywhack give a dog a bone. She's back! She's back.
My nose is bleeding a bit.
Oh, it's because you picked your nose.
I wasn't picking my nose, I was doing this.
It's all over her pants.
It is literally guys. Wait. Oh my gosh! While we're waiting, let's do fit checks.
Alright, all of you get to go first.
That's your job now.
Alright, fit check. Goodwill bins. They're shorts. They're jorts. Walmart. My mama. Claire's. My mama.
Hey, no feet. This isn't the Norse Nuts Free Foot channel.
Okay, this is from Marshall's. These are, I don't remember where they're from. Let me check the back of it.
No, I think they're from Target.
And then, that's all I'm wearing.
What about your mama?
Deja, fit check.
Can you check the tag? I don't know what my top's from. Burlington. My mommy. Claire's. Claire's.
Claire's.
Okay, man, move your big booty.
Hey.
Probably Walmart. My mommy.
Free foot channel.
No.
No.
The butt.
Wait, you didn't do my nails, you stupid. Matt.
Let's give back shots.
Damn. Damn.
This is not. I want water. My water is the stand. Anyways, they're inside.
You don't even have shoes.
I don't care. Comment if I'm your favorite because we all know that I'm your favorite.
I'm a baddie. On my lollipop.
Flip the frickety frick frack knick knack patty whack.
I'll try to do a flip just for you guys.
That was booty. That was booty. My turn.
That's the first flip I've done all summer.
Come on, better. Ready? 3, 2.
Oh wow! I'm gonna try again. Hold please.
Ah!
No.
Take yourself. Eat my.
No.
You ready?
That was the best flip I've ever seen.
1. Ah! Alright, now we're going to actually start making the slime. And I'm the only one who actually knows how to make the slime. Girl, just shut up. This is very chaotic, but we're finally starting.
How long is this video?
Okay, start off with 3 scoops of flour. On this,
If there's conditioner on your spoon, you have to get rid of it.
yeah, there's no conditioner on this spoon. Yeah, we use this for our baking videos, so I think, oh my goodness, you cannot even see.
Okay, then bring it over here.
So we're gonna start with 3 scoops.
How many scoops?
3.
1.
That's everywhere.
Yeah, I know. How do you find it? This doesn't work, I'm gonna beat you.
Yeah, if this doesn't work,
Okay, everybody has 3 scoops. I'm gonna move this.
Now put it back over here.
Gross.
put it back over there.
Fine. For conditioner, we're just using any conditioner.
Just tilt the plate forward.
1. We're gonna start off with 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 because it's not too.
That was 6.
Shut up. It's because I did a little on 5.
Alrighty, and then just mix this together. And it's not gonna work at first, but you just gotta keep adding more conditioner.
Looks like flour to me.
Guys, did you not hear what I? Let me let you in on a little secret. So I am the favorite of everybody, and
Open it, please.
I'm literally like fingering the inside of this, bro. Dad came out. Okay, I'm getting some out. When I did this, I was just eyeballing it. Just eyeball it. You do you.
The straw goes all the way around, and it lights up. You can't really see it outside, but it lights up.
Alright. Just keep mixing it. I don't know if you can see it. Just keep mixing it. And adding conditioner. So,
This is what you got.
yeah.
How's yours work?
Soap? Not like a slime. I guess it's slime, but it's more dough.
Okay, so dough slime making.
Yeah, dough slime making vlog. See, I like to mix it. I mix it in like little areas so that you can see that it's coming together, and then just like keep taking little pieces and taking 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 and taking.
Feels wet.
Like this.
Mine looks like
Just be careful not to add too much conditioner or you're gonna have to add more flour.
it doesn't feel like it's me.
I'm gonna start mixing it. I don't know why it's stuck all over my hands. Why I got too bitey.
Got it everywhere. Okay, let's show off our slimes.
This is the only slimy part.
I think the whole thing is kind of slimy, but not.
Mine's
the slime
actually,
we
mine's
want.
starting to come. Mine's actually came together a little bit.
Good for you.
Yeah, olive looks good. I don't think mine's right.
We may have to add fill for this video.
No, because you just gotta add a lot of conditioner because I added like over 20 scoops.
Oh,
Actually, probably not.
Deja added, I think, the most.
I'm throwing this away.
No, mine actually came together.
Kitty, what is that? I don't know if you can see.
So mine came together. It's down there. Okay, mine came together. This is how it looks.
My phone has so much flour on it.
So, I might add a little more. I'm gonna mix all the flour on the plate.
Can you try to mix mine together? I don't know how you did it, because
You have
mine
to
isn't doing it.
Add more conditioner. Why? I literally, mine worked. You just gotta keep mixing. Deja gave up. She gave up. She's a quitter. But you just gotta keep
I
mixing.
don't think mine is. Ew, oh my god, it actually feels disgusting.
Mine worked.
Bro, how did yours turn out so good? Mine turned into a mess.
Well, you shouldn't have gave up. Never back down. Never what? Never give up.
Does yours
But-
look like this? It's really watery. I don't know if it's.
You guys better use this to clean up.
We will.
Does anyone need any flour?
No, you can put that away. Look. I do have to say that this does work, and it low-key feels like Play-Doh, but it's
It
nice.
kind of works. For some people, it works. Mine is really.
Do you want me to
sticky.
mix yours?
Yes. I want to play with
It feels a little weird, but
these. Ooh, it's kind of like white.
yeah, that's what I said. It's like a Play-Doh texture, but at the same time, it's not.
I'm gonna ask Deja if she wants to.
Lorelai, who doesn't like touching anything, touches a really weird concoction and says, it actually feels nice.
I didn't say that. I said this feels nice. That did not.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Whatever that is on my plate does not feel nice.
So she put up this feels really nice actually. One sec, stop complaining. I added more conditioner to make it maybe softer because it's hard, like me.
Why is your door I need to go on this swing. Don't touch me.
No, you have to help me clean up. Oh, I actually help you clean up.
I can't.
Open it. So you're gonna be the one wiping down the table.
Why can't you? You're the one with the dirty hands.
And how it's looking?
Swiss rolls. Swiss rolls. Just got me being Cinderella out here. Well, actually, Deja, I need your help clean up this spot. Deja, I need your help. I need your help. That was uncalled for. That was uncalled for.
Show the camera. Okay, ready?
Oh my god. Let Deja touch it because hers didn't work.
Fatties are fatties. Like you. Hurt. Alright, let's go. Down to Deja's new swing that she just got, which she's in right now. Here you go, Deja.
Hello. Welcome to my closet. I got a question for you. If anyone wants to carry me in, I need your weight. Wait, sit down normal. We're gonna break it.
You're gonna suck at push. Deja, give it to me.
No, I want to record.
Why are you then do it normal, like sideways, Deja. It's a YouTube video, not a TikTok video.
Make sure we don't hit the tree.
Deja, you have everybody else to be sewing too. You're terrible.
Fatties are tipping it over.
Welcome to my
Literally
closet.
me.
Hang on that side. Yeah.
We freaking freak for knick-knack.
Okay, we made a solution. Why? I swear on the life, we hit the tree.
Let me show them how much you're going for. Is it my turn?
Sure.
Get out.
No, you have to get out because this is yours and you get to on it first.
I've only been on it once.
Get out!
What's going on in
You
there?
won't get out.
You won't get out.
Olive, get out.
No, why can't Daisy get out?
Because. Yeah, Daisy needs to show me how to sit in it.
You don't know how to sit down.
Yeah, I really jumped in here, so.
Yeah, you literally
Let me
jumped
see it.
in. Wait.
Fatties, fatties, fatties,
Gonna sit on
fatties,
my
fatties,
foot.
fatties, frick, frack, knick, knack, patty,
Don't
whack,
care.
Okay, so you're gonna have to lean over there.
Look at it. It's so nice in here.
Okay, sit.
I'm gonna make them hit the tree.
The opposite
Make sure we don't hit the tree, stupid.
Buddy,
Make sure we don't hit the ground. It's gonna come with a matches.
I'm gonna pop your freaking nuts.
Oh my god.
Bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video and follow for more delicious videos like this.
Or fun videos.